In the next 90 seconds, let me show you how to capture long exposure waterfall photos. First, find the perfect waterfall. The more water movement, the better. Here's what I'm using: a DSLR camera, a wide-angle lens, a sturdy tripod, and a circular polarizer filter to reduce reflections and manage light. While an ND filter is the more common choice for blocking light, a polarizer is great for managing reflections and enhancing colors in the scene. Now let's dial in the settings. Shutter speed 1/15 of a second to 10 seconds, longer equals smoother water, ISO 100 to avoid grain, aperture f8 to f14 for sharpness and to reduce light. Use a delayed timer or a shutter remote to prevent camera shake. Multiple exposure bracketing can also be beneficial to do depending on the lighting conditions in the scene.